How to hide like counts on Facebook. So as you can see right here, on every post that I actually see, there's actually a like count or reaction count. You can see this one has 37K, while this one has 31K. So if you want to hide the like count of every post you see as well as your own post, you can head over right here to your three lines and then click on this gear icon or just click on your settings. Once you have click on your settings, just click on the search and then search in here for reaction. Search in here for that. Once you have done that, you can see in here this reaction preferences. Just click on this. And then from in there, you can head over and then turn on this. You can turn on hide number of reactions from posts from others, or you can also just turn on your own. So just head over and then just choose which one you want to hide. And then from in there, when you head over again to your actual home page, you can head over and then refresh it. And then as you can see right here, we can just hide in here the number of reactions. So that's how you hide like counts on Facebook. Hope we helped.